A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for duck, duck. A for arrow, arrow. B for bag, bag. C for cake, cake. D for drum, drum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, students? Hope you will be good. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 4 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter D, reading plus writing. First of all, you will tell me about the previous work. Have you done your previous work? Very good. Excellent. Now, in the previous lecture, we have learnt about the 3 letters. Yes, A, B and C. Now, today we will do the 4th letter in alphabets. Okay, can you tell me which is the 4th letter in alphabets? Yes, what comes after letter C? Great! Good! D! Excellent! This is letter D. Great! And this is small d. This is a lowercase. This is a lowercase small d. And can you tell me about its sound? Yes! The sound of this letter is D. 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 Now what begins with this letter? Yes, here you can see the first picture for this letter. Good. Door. This is a door. Great. And D is the first letter in door? Yes. D. D. Door. D. D. Door. Very good. Now come to the next word. Wow! Here you can see a duck. Yes, this is a duck, and D is the first letter in duck. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. Great. And now come to the next word. Yes! Wow! This is a dolphin. Yes, and D is the first letter in dolphin. D. Yes! Wow! This is a dolphin. Yes! And D is the first letter in dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. Okay, now next word. Yes! This is a drum. And D is the first letter in drum. D. D. Drum. D. D. Drum. Great. Now, yes, you can see letter D, small d. Very good. And the sound of this letter is D. 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 Now, you will trace this letter with the help of your finger. Okay. Are you ready? Now, you will put your finger on your mobile screen and now trace it. Yes, like this. First, you will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Now, next is you will make a straight line. Very good. Now come down. Great. And now here you will make a little tail. Very good. This is small t. Yes. Now we have done the first part of the lecture here. Okay, students. Now we will do some types of activity for letter D. Are you ready for these activities? Great. Brilliant. Okay. Now, first activity. Yes. Match the relevant pictures with the given letter. Okay. Here you can see a circle. Yes. And here you can see the letter D. Okay. And the sound of this letter is D. 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 Okay. Now I have some pictures inside this circle. Okay, now, yes, I will tell you about the first picture. Yes, what is this? Excellent! This is an ice cream. Okay, this is an ice cream. And what is the beginning sound of ice cream? Is it D? No, the beginning sound of ice cream is not D. It's mean we will not join this ice cream with the given letter, with letter D. Okay, now next is, what is the next picture? Yes, this is a door. Door. Okay, yes. What is the beginning sound of this picture? Door. D. Great. D. D. Door. It's mean we will join letter D with this picture. D. D. Door. Great. Okay. Now here I have an apple. Okay. Apple. Okay. What is the beginning sound of apple? Is it D? No. The beginning sound of apple is not D. Okay. It's mean we will not join this picture with letter D. Okay. Now next picture. Yes, this is a drum. Yes, can you see it? Yes, drum. And what is the beginning sound of drum? Yes, D. D, D, drum. D, D, drum. Okay, now I will join letter D with this picture. Like this. D, D, drum. Great. Okay, now come to the next activity. Wow. Yes, here I have a colorful D for you. Wow. Fill the letter with dots. Dots. Okay, I have filled this D, letter D, with different color of dots. Yes, now here you can see the word dots. Okay, and D is the first letter in dots. Very good. Yes, dots. These are different types of dots here. Yes. Okay. Now today, students, you will do letter D on your notebook, on your loose sheet. Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will ask about this task. Okay? Now, our lecture has been done here. Hopefully, you have enjoyed a lot. We will meet again with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.